starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman, who is Rahim, who is the most beneficent. What He sees cannot be seen. What He creates cannot be created. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and the shining stars of Kosher School and College, Assalamu Alaikum. Today, I have to talk on a topic that is man shapes society or society shapes man. Dear listeners, the relationship between man and society is a dynamic point, and it often challenges to determine whether a man shapes society or a society shapes man. Both aspects influence to each other in a continuous and interconnected manner, but in my opinion, man shapes society. Because the existence of society is the reason of human evolution, so man can change society, shape society, and mold the society. As Allama Iqbal said, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. Dear audience, in fact the action, activities and feats of a man decide that how our society should be. It means that the structure of society is based on action and activities of individuals in a society. Mr. President, throughout the history, leaders have emerged to drive societal progress and transformation. In fact, and figures have shaped policies, ideologies, and movements of profound impact on society. Social activism individuals who feel strongly about social issues can mobilize and create movements for positive change. In a sense, individuals have complete ability to change the society. If the individuals don't like the society, they start struggles and movements to change the society. As Nelson Mandela, who fought for the rights of Black in America, started struggle against the discriminated society and finally molded it into a new shape. To conclude my speech, I want to say that man is the power who puts the function of culture, tradition, civilization, and even the society. Thanks for listening.